The world's largest peer-to-peer network, BitTorrent, announced the rollout of the BitTorrent chain, or BTTC, with its new token denomination on December 12, 2021. The old BTT tokens on Tron will be redenominated into smaller units while holding the same market cap. But what does this mean for BTT? Is it still worthy for investors to look at? Find out by watching this video. BitTorrent project is reportedly the world's largest decentralized peer-to-peer network, with over 90 million active users and a total installed base of over 2 billion torrent clients. BTT Old has a total supply of only 990 billion tokens, with an average of 11,000 tokens per active user. As per BitTorrent chain white paper, various decentralized applications, such as decentralized finance, have become core drivers of the Tron network and other smart contract platforms. Meanwhile, more types of decentralized applications are being developed in large numbers, but the current blockchain ecosystem is not sufficient to support the demand for large-scale applications. Poor user experience with dApps, slow block validation, high transaction fees, and low scalability are all factors that prevent users from using blockchain applications at scale. Founded with a leading peer-to-peer sharing technology standard in 2004, BitTorrent Inc. is a consumer software company based in San Francisco. Its protocol is the largest decentralized P2P network globally, driving 22% of upstream and 3% of downstream traffic globally. Its flagship desktop and mobile products, BitTorrent and uTorrent, enable users to send large files over the internet, connecting legitimate third-party content providers with users. With over 100 million active users, BitTorrent products have been installed on over 1 billion devices in over 138 countries worldwide. Since November 2018, Tron, Binance, and Bitcoin holders have had the opportunity to purchase one-year subscriptions to BitTorrent or uTorrent products, including ads-free and Pro for Windows. Pro includes antivirus and anti-malware screening, file converting, and playability in HD. BitTorrent chain, a native coin BTTC, was born under the spotlight of global communities and is much anticipated by the whole market. Through dedicated efforts of the BTTC team and Tron, BTTC has successfully launched its testnet with continuous expansion in terms of BTTC nodes and user base. Moreover, a brand new reel for Tron as the mainnet of BitTorrent chain, Tron's significant move in the cross-chain field is officially going live with BTT redenomination implemented. BTTC mainnet now supports and is compatible with Tron, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain or BSC. Via BTTC, decentralized transfer of mainstream assets between Tron, Ethereum, and BSC is now possible without any restrictions. The BTT redenomination plan is underway in tandem. While maintaining its current market cap, the total supply of BTT tokens will be increased by 990 billion to 990 trillion at a ratio of 1 to 1,000. After the redenomination, the new tokens are referred to as BTT, while the old ones are renamed as BTT Old. While BTT redenomination lowers the entry barrier for investors, promotes the prosperity of the BTTC ecosystem, and boosts the value appreciation of BTT, BitTorrent chain's birth will undoubtedly facilitate the value circulation of BTT and diversify its use cases. This complementary couple has already given birth to a super network connecting all chains. The core competencies of BitTorrent chain are heterogeneous cross-chain solutions, a perfect value exchange between heterogeneous chains through asset interoperability between Ethereum, Tron, and BSC. Faster transaction confirmation is the underlying protocol that adopts the POS consensus mechanism, which speeds up transactions, with an average block time between 2 and 3 seconds. More certain assets are proven security of main chain, and multi-node validation work together to safeguard every transaction. Lower transaction fees are extremely low transaction fees at around $0.01 on average, eliminating the headache of paying exorbitant transaction fees. So how will the BitTorrent chain rectify the issues? The new BTTC uses slow transactions, which is the most significant disadvantage of POW or the proof-of-work-based blockchain platforms, are low transaction processing speed and limited throughput. BitTorrent chain will solve this problem by using a high-throughput blockchain. It also offers low throughput, a specific time interval required between block production in current mainstream blockchain platforms to ensure sufficient time for block propagation. In addition, there is a limit on the block size to ensure fast block propagation in the network, which leads to a limit on the number of transactions in a block. BitTorrent chain solves this problem by using a block producer layer where block producers can produce blocks quickly. BTTC also features low scalability, and in the future, BitTorrent chain can quickly access more public chains while using the same decentralized POS layer to increase scalability. High transaction fees, the new BitTorrent chain achieves economies of scale by conducting a large number of transactions at the block producer layer, thus reducing costs and ensuring low transaction costs. So what is the roadmap of the BTTC mainnet? The mainnet was officially launched on December 12, 2021. The Phase 1 product supports the wallet, the cross-chain bridge, the Explorer, and the staking function. All users can participate in staking or apply to become a validator. In the Phase 2, developers will be recruited in this stage. BitTorrent Chain's VM is compatible with EVM, enabling developers to quickly build various applications on BitTorrent Chain. In Phase 3, the validator election mechanism is added, and quality projects are introduced to build a more diversified dApp ecosystem and support the interconnectivity among blockchain networks. Then in Phase 4, BitTorrent Chain will support more public chains to realize the goal of connecting all chains. The launch of BTTC marks that Tron, the frontrunner in multiple fields such as DeFi, NFT, stablecoins, decentralized storage, transaction, and lending, has gone all in on integrating its ecosystem and connecting all chains to build itself as the new hub of blockchain interconnectivity. Since its mainnet release on May 31, 2018, Tron has risen to become the world's fastest-growing public chain and the world's largest network in terms of stablecoin settlement within a matter of 3 years. Today, Tron boasts a staggering $70 billion worth of assets, over 66 million Tron accounts, and more than 39.9 billion TRC20 USD in circulation on its network. Tron is forging ahead to become a global settlement layer. Crypto experts believe that BTTC is both a scaling solution Tron presents to the world's mainstream blockchains and its active response to the calling for a new decentralized world. Experts are convinced that BTTC is key to ushering in an era of connecting all chains. The BTTC price after its rebranding from BTT seems to have been struggling to maintain a considerable bullish momentum as the asset fell into a steep descending channel very quickly after hitting the highs. However, the price is struggling hard to sustain above the pivotal levels at $0.0000200 as this may ignite a significant uptrend ahead. Now, while the month end is on the toes, the asset may try to seal the trade above these levels to ignite a bullish start for Q2. The BTTC coin price, with its new version, began the trade during the last few days of January 2022. It continued to range within an ascending trend for some time, until it smashed the highs close to $0.0000250. However, the bear got activated quickly and slashed the price close to $0.0000170. Nevertheless, the price quickly flipped and ignited a substantial uptrend and tested one of the crucial levels. If the price successfully clears these levels, a strong uptrend may lift the price close to $0.0000400, slicing through the current ATH. On the contrary, if the bears get into action, the price may be restricted below the ATH at $0.0000220. Nevertheless, with the average buying and selling, the may trend in between these two levels. The BTTC and TRX are both crypto assets built on the Tron blockchain. Both the assets began the February trade with a notable bullish trend. However, they both got decoupled quickly, and the BTTC coin price fell quickly, as the TRX price still maintains dominance by a very large region. The TRX price is 20% above the average price, while the BTTC is below 0.75%. Mainly, both the assets are dropping hard and heading towards the south, and hence, a slight pullback may be expected until the weekend. However, like each time, the weekend trade may carry some hopes of a strong flip, which may uplift the price above the danger zone. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the BTTC mainnet? Do you think it will skyrocket in 2022? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.